sneeze when something irritates the inside of your nose. Like pollen, dust or dander, it could well be one of those. The particles get in and then they tickle tiny hairs. And sneezing is your body's way to get them out of there. The nerves inside your nose set off a signal to your brain to say there's something in here and it simply can't remain. Your brain then tells your throat, your chest and lots of muscles too to blow it out together with a powerful achoo. Achoo, 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 achoo. The air comes speeding out because the sneeze is super strong. So whatever irritates your nose won't stay there very long. When pollen, dust or even germs are floating in the breeze, your body clears your nose out with a great big healthy sneeze.